How to see who viewed your Snapchat public profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your Snapchat public profile. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. After getting into the Snapchat app, tap to open up the chats. From here, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Then scroll to see your public profile from here. Now, tap to start your Explore Snap Maps from here. So, tap on Enter to see who viewed your public profile. You can see all the people on Maps who viewed your profile. Also, you can see if they viewed your profile in your city, country, or outside of the country. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.